What is Odoo Standard? Odoo Standard means using Odoo exactly as it comes. So you all know that Odoo have a basic features, a manual thing and everything, right? So using exactly as that way is basically standard Odoo.
Okay. If you are running a retail shop, you don't need to go with the customization because already the Odoo provide certain default features such as the sales module, purchase module,
Just the basic modules.
yeah, accounting module. So first what you have to do is you just need to check out the requirement of your business and check the standard, that is the Odoo standard. Then you will be adding new fields, new buttons, new custom reports, the KPI, and everything will be different from the default features because your business will be possessing a new structure and that will be having higher competition in the market.
Some kind of features that is not existing with your competitors, or you need to compete with your competitors very easily. So you need a unique workflow instead of the standard one. So once you are done with that, you can simply move to the customized way and you can spend the money on it and you will get an ROI within simply and easily. Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to Techtonic powered by Cybrosys. In today's episode, we'll be talking about Odoo Standard versus Odoo Customization, which is better. So if you're a Odoo developer or consultant or Odoo user, this episode is completely dedicated for you. I'm your host Jarina and this is your host
Aisha.
So Aisha, what is Odoo Standard?
Odoo Standard means using Odoo exactly as it comes. So you all know that Odoo have a basic features, a manual thing and everything, right? So using exactly as that way is basically standard Odoo.
Okay, so basically we can say that using the default features of Odoo is known as the Odoo Standard. Now let's consider an example of a retail shop. So if you are running a retail shop, you don't need to go with the customization because already the Odoo provide certain default features such as the sales module, purchase module,
Just the basic modules.
yeah, accounting module. So first what you have to do is you just need to check out the requirement of your business and check the standard, that is the Odoo standards, and you can just go ahead with the customization if you want.
Like if it's suitable to your business to go with the standard version, just go for it. Or if you need any type of customized features inside the Odoo rather than the standard one, you can go with the customization.
Yeah, right. So we can say that the Odoo standard is a tailored
Software. Yeah.
Yes. And upon moving on to the Odoo customization basically means creating everything from the scratch. So if your business is a unique one, we recommend you to just go with the Odoo customization. And in case of customization, you will be getting a structure with a unique business idea.
Like you guys know about the requirements and needs. You can simply suit the Odoo to like using the customization and you can simply fit it.
Yes, there you will be adding new fields, new buttons, new custom reports, the KPI, and everything will be different from the default features because your business will be possessing a new structure and that will be having higher competition in the market. And upon moving on to the benefits of Odoo Standard, what are the benefits?
Okay, benefits of Odoo Standard is like faster go live, which means implementation takes days or weeks instead of months. So if you are going with the customization, it may take months to customize that particular business needs to Odoo. Okay, so if you are going with the standard one, it may take the week. Okay, and next we can go with the lower cost, which means no custom development means less expensive. Less expense. If you're going with the customization, you need certain developers. So it will be much more expensive than the standard one. And easier maintenance, which means when you're update Odoo from the version 16 to 17 or 18, there is no code breaking. Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't have to break the code just
The migration will be very easier and smoother because there is no change in the fields or anything. Even if there is change in the fields, Odoo will be providing certain codes or the ideas to change the codes. Now let's talk about the benefits of using the Odoo customization.
Okay.
First of all, we can say that it will be having a competitive advantage because nobody can steal your exact workflow of the software. and you'll be get a process which is only tailored and fit for your business, and you don't need to just select the employee who only know these particular things and all. You can just train the employees according to the business requirement, and just make everything
You can fit the Odoo to your.
yeah, and it will be having a unique report with the custom dashboards, KPIs and formats, and you can also just go with some real cases like the real estate, the hospital management, and construction company, manufacturing company, and all. So in such cases, we know certain features can be taken from the Odoo standard, but they require the Odoo customization. So even if we have when we just consider the healthcare, we can just get the default features such as the customer module. That is, the customers will be basically managed from the contact module, and the accounting to manage the bills in the hospital. And we can also just get the sales module and all to manage the other sales of the medicines or anything. But there are the customization required under the HMS. This is just a real case example, okay? So we know in case of hospital management, there will be having different departments like the dental care, gynecology, or the pediatrician, ortho. Like we have different clinical sections. So according to that clinical section, the customization,
The department is varying.
right. Yeah, and the customization is mandatory over there. So in such cases, we cannot just mix up with the Odoo standard, and we highly recommend to go with the
Customization.
in that cases. And customization help to make Odoo of your own. Now, the risk of customization is that it will be having high cost, because when you try to build everything from the scratch, you'll be sparing more time and more money, as well as you always need a support from the developers.
Yeah,
And upgradation problem will be always running there, because when we are just going with the customization, even if we have certain features, the Odoo standards in it, and the Odoo standard features will be very minimal. But when you try to migrate the data from previous version or from an older version to a new version, there is a possibility to code break everything, and that will not match, because they will be very difficult to
do the high risk, right?
Yes, high risk in the migration, and it always depends on a developer. And too many custom modules or the customization can slow down Odoo. And there is a possibility of providing the software, Odoo software, to the customer in a late way, or we can say that the development will be delayed over there. Now, we should get a clarity on how to choose a Odoo standard or the custom one. So here is a simple formula to use the Odoo standard or the customized Odoo. The thing is that you can start with Odoo standard as much as possible. Now you can configure everything instead of coding. And what you have to do is you just need to check the requirement of your business, and accordingly you can just get 80 to 90% of codes from the Odoo standard itself. And if the feature is more critical, or if it gives ROI, you can save much more time and money over there. So you can just avoid the customization in a situation if the default features match with your requirements. So you can choose wisely, which is better. The Odoo standard versus Odoo customization depends on the business requirement.
Like you can move like this. Like if you are starting any business, go with the standard one. And then once you grow up, like you need some kind of features that is not existing with your competitors, or you need to compete with your competitors very easily. So you need a unique workflow instead of the standard one. So once you are done with that, you can simply move to the customized way, and you can spend the money on it, and you will get an ROI within simply and easily. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
So it's time to wrap the episode. So before wrapping the episode, we would like to present you the Mobo, which is introduced by Cybrosys Technologies. So Mobo is basically the mobile application.
Yeah, it is a suite of Odoo. Like you can simply see all the basic modules in it. We already launched 5 modules, which is sales, purchase, inventory, and invoicing as well. So you can move with that. Like if you the only
Like we can say that currently Odoo is providing the web application to manage each of the module. But using the Mobo, even if you don't have a proper network or if you don't have a system, no worries to manage your business close, because Mobo present you to get each application of the Odoo in your mobile without network also. So you can just manage everything and track everything using a smartphone only.
Yeah, so you can go with the Mobo. So you can simply check on Mobo. It will be available on the Android and the Apple version. So you can just move there, and there we can find it from the App Store and the Play Store as well. So do try it. And one more thing is there, if you guys need any kind of customization, we Cybrosys are giving the customization, implementation, training, yeah, everything. So feel free to contact us. And let's have
Yeah, that's all about today's episode. And if you want more insights of Odoo, feel free to connect Cybrosys and buy from Techtonic.